In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Format Painter tool. The Format Painter is a simple but very useful feature that lets you copy formatting from one piece of content and apply it somewhere else without having to recreate it manually. This can save a lot of time, especially when you're working with documents, spreadsheets, or presentations and want everything to look consistent. To get started, highlight the text or click the cell that already has the formatting you want to copy. This is important because the Format Painter copies the appearance, not the actual content. That means it will carry over things like font style, font size, color, borders, fill, and other visual formatting settings, depending on where you're using it. Once you've selected the text or cell with the correct formatting, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click the Format Painter button. This tells the program that you want to copy the formatting from your selected item and use it somewhere else. It's a quick tool, but it's very effective when you want to clean up inconsistent formatting or speed up repetitive edits. After you click the button, your cursor will turn into a paintbrush. That paintbrush icon is your visual confirmation that Format Painter is active and ready to apply the copied formatting. At this point, be careful not to click around randomly, since the next place you click or drag over is where the formatting will be applied. Now, click and drag over your new target area, or simply click the new cell or section where you want the formatting to go. As soon as you do that, the selected formatting will be applied to the new area. This makes it easy to match headings, body text, table cells, or other formatted elements without adjusting each setting one by one. If you're working carefully, it helps to pause for a second before applying the formatting so you can make sure you're targeting the right text or cells. That small habit can help avoid having to undo and try again, and that's all there is to it. The Format Painter tool is one of those small features that can make a big difference in productivity, especially when you want professional looking, consistent formatting with minimal effort. Thanks for watching.